Hey guys, welcome to the channel. We are in TuBac, Arizona. And we just took a ride from the house, come over here. We stopped at this Habanero's restaurant and eat. Very good restaurant. I definitely recommend it if you're in this area, which this TuBac is actually not very far from, it's kind of between Tucson and Nogales on Highway 19. It's a pretty cool little place. They got over here lots of different restaurants. This is a little market. They got a lot of stuff in that little market too. It's like a general store. They even got food in there too. You can order sandwiches and got a salad bar. We'll go down here and go down into TuBac. We just kind of spur of the moment, go different places. So here we have Plaza Road, TuBac, where art and history meet. They definitely got a lot of different places down
It's
there.
definitely the art place.
Yeah, it's like art city. Oil and vinegars. Oil in vinegars. Okay. There's a list of all the different places that are. I guess there's more stuff out through there we didn't see, huh? Or we didn't go that way, did we?
No, we didn't go down that street.
Huh. Old World Imports.
We explored it just a little bit to see if we could find a place to pull over, take Cricket to go potty, and
Tons of different art places.
it's starting to warm up.
We met a nice lady. She actually told us about the restaurant to eat at.
Yeah. We told her about smelling something wonderful, and she says, "Oh, that's the Mexican place right here."
Habaneros, and it was good.
Yes, it was really good.
I guess we can go up through here.
It's an awesome place to eat. Good atmosphere, everything. It's a nice place to eat. Good food. We got the shredded beef chimichangas, and they were awesome.
Look at all that stuff.
All the vases.
Holy cow.
Cool.
Got a puggle.
Mhm.
I don't know. I think I might have to shuck the jacket.
Yeah, I'm kind of thinking the same thing.
But once we get back on the road, I don't know.
I might just leave mine on. It's easy for me, but not for you because you're driving. But it's easy for me that if I want it back on, I could just slide it back on or take it back off and just leave it behind me, kind of sit on it.
Restaurant?
Elvira's.
Elvira?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah, that's what it said.
My heart's on fire for Elvira.
Oh, Lord, he wants another woman.
Yeah.
Oh, go back there and you can try to find her.
I don't care for Elvira. I've seen her on TV before.
You have your new woman. She's got her own restaurant.
Mm-hmm. So we'll go down this way now, straight on down through here.
Ooh, that looks like a little bump.
Exhibits.
Now I smell more food.
Yeah, it does smell good in this town. Gets toward lunchtime, they start cooking.
Mm-hmm. See, right there's that smell that we're smelling from that Mexican restaurant.
Yeah. Look at all that stuff.
Look at all the
Metalworks.
Yeah, metalworks. That's pretty cool. And if you're a person who kills plants, that's the best way to go.
Look at all these vines over here.
Mm-hmm. Like me, I don't have a green thumb, so if I want to plant, I have to buy metal so it won't die.
I think I'm going to shuck the jacket.
I'll shuck mine, but I'm going to keep it up here with me, though. So if I want to put it back on, I can. Without having to stop.
It's just too warm for me. Now.
Zip my pockets up so way so my gloves don't fall out.
I'm about to roast.
I've also got this long sleeve shirt on.
It's supposed to get up to 75 today.
I wore a thermal. See?
Yeah. 72.
You can put it in the side saddle. Can't you? Or do you have stuff in there?
Still should fit. Got some of my stuff in there.
They say you can fit it in with the food over here on the other side and it helps keep it insulated.
It'll fit right here.
I ate too many chips and salsa. Oh my God, their salsa is awesome.
Oh, it was good. Really good. Whew, that's better.
Yeah. Cricket's doing just a little bit of temperamental whining back there. Earlier this morning, he done really good because I bought him this little winter coat thing on clearance from Walmart here a while back when we first got here. Found it on sale. So, put it on him this morning, and man, he just like stayed calm the whole ride up here, didn't he?
So guys, comment below what that thing is.
Yeah.
It looks like a
It's prickly pear.
prickly pear, but it's a tree.
But it's a tree.
So it's not like prickly pear on the ground.
We don't know if it's a natural thing, or
I think it's natural.
or if it's...
There it is. She was talking about sodos.
Oh, yeah, there's sodas.
Yeah.
That's what that lady was telling us about. Another good place she said is good to eat.
Joan of Arts. Or Joanne of Arts, whatever that means.
Cricket, calm down.
Cobalt, Fine Arts, whoops.
What's the word that I'm looking for?
Where's he going? Right there?
I guess so. What's the word I'm looking for? Where they infuse two plants together.
Yeah.
But anyways, we don't know if it's natural or if it's infused together.
Graft.
Like
it ain't grafted. Every one of these people in this that we've seen in Arizona ain't grafting their trees together.
Because I earlier today, I also seen a agave plant that was looked like little short palm tree bunches to where the agave plant was sitting on top of it, grown into it. So I want to know, is this stuff natural to this area? Because we are new to Arizona and we don't know much about the plant. Because when I tried to give the description on the internet when searching for something, I can't never find it. It either brings up palm trees or that plant by themselves. I can't never find a combination of them both.
Okay, so we're headed out of TuBac. I'm going to head back down the road whichever way we came from. I think it's this way.
To the left, to the left. Right.
It was about an hour and a half drive over here for us. I heard cricket.
I did too. He'll get calmed down once we get going. He's just got to get comfortable.
It was pretty cool this morning. Oh yeah, there's where we went by.
Yeah, that's...
We had the heated seats, the heated grips on this dude. Everything cranked on. But it's nice now. Look at all the colors of the trees down in this bottom here. Yeah, I hear him yipping. Highway 19. Honestly, don't know why we can't run this road for a while.
I don't either.
Instead of going on the interstate, just stay on this road.
Turn.
That cop was busy. It ain't illegal unless he sees it. As we come up the interstate, but I've seen this road running along beside the interstate. See where he goes.
He gets driving too bad, we'll stop and put his jacket back on him, see if that helps him. He may like that coat on him with the wind blowing on him back there. You know that?
It ain't, not now, he don't. I mean, it's too warm.
No, it's too warm.
Look at all them housing.
Yeah. I kind of like that on top. They got little decks.
Yeah.
That's pretty cool.
Pretty wild. Well, we're out of TuBac and we're headed back this direction. Look at all them colors. Wow. That's pretty cool.
All the yellow.
Yeah. Headed back. This is actually going toward Nogales. It says we're entering Carmen.
Carmen, San Diego.
San Diego. I didn't know we're in San Diego.
We're looking for Carmen Sandiego.
Where in the world is that at? Kind of a rough looking place down in there. Thank you all for watching. Click the thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel. God bless. And ride on.